What's up, guys? Coming back to you live from the, well, not live, but pretty close to it. I'm going to upload this video tonight, that way you guys know all about it. Pretty much just wanted to tell you that I got some upgraded gear, I should say. You know, I'm trying to invest a lot of time and money into this channel. I'm trying to grow it. We've been getting quite a bit of subscribers every day, which is awesome. We really appreciate the support, Sam and I, and you know, we only want to make better content for you guys. You know, in the last video, I tried to do like driving shots and stuff, and like with the video editing software that I'm using on my phone, which is what I'm using to record, is my phone. You know, I don't know. I get these like pauses in between each clip jumping, so it was crazy. It was very annoying. So today I got back up to Indiana, jumped on Facebook Marketplace, and pretty much just looked for used stuff because I didn't want to pay a ton of money. So I ended up buying a GoPro Hero 7 Black today, which is what I'm using to record it right now. I don't know how great the video is right now because this hotel has like the worst lighting in the world. So hopefully during the day when we're out and about, the video quality looks even better. Hopefully it looks better, you know, now than on my phone, but I guess we'll see. So I got a Hero 7 Black, which is really nice, shoots in 4K and 1080p. And it also has image stabilization, so that when I'm in the truck and the truck's shaking around or whatever, it'll kind of keep it a little bit more steady. It won't be as bouncy, because I know that was another issue. I was really annoyed with it, you know, when recording on my phone, because I'm holding it like this, and it would, you know, shake like this, and it was horrible. So another upgrade I got today, which has to go with the GoPro. You know,
crap! I think I clogged the toilet.
Again. I can't take her out anywhere. It's like the third time. I mean, I'm just gonna invest in a plunger and keep it in the truck soon. I know, Cody. I know you can't believe it either. I know. The next thing I got was a MacBook. And of course, you know, I set my background nice already. I got my truck and the trailer, you know, one of the trailers that I just towed. I got a really great deal on both these things. This one is really nice. Comes with a solid state drive, 16 gigabyte hard drive, so it's pretty quick. It's definitely good enough for all my video editing and stuff. Way better than working on this tiny little screen with a phone, and it's just a pain in the butt. And this is also nice because I can edit YouTube quite a bit more on a computer than you can on a phone. On a phone, you're limited, but on a computer, I can actually, you know, update everything on my YouTube channel and just keep everything fresh. But I just want to let you know, Facebook Marketplace is awesome. The thing I like is you can see who you're meeting up with, so you know you're not meeting up with some crazy pedophile.
Well, you never know.
Well, I guess you never know, but it's a little more reassuring, you know, especially if you can see his profile and he has a whole bunch of like pictures and, you know, people commenting on his page or whatever. It's, you know.
And we met in public places.
Yeah, the first guy I met at a Walmart parking lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the second guy insisted that I meet him inside at a Martin's.
Oh, I like Martin's, guys.
Martin's was really nice. I've never been in there, but it was really nice.
If you're from New York, it'll remind of us of ShopRite.
Yeah, pretty much.
The guy just wanted
nicer
donuts.
though.
That's why he wanted us to meet inside.
Yeah.
He got some donuts.
Yeah, he just wanted donuts. I don't know.
They look good too.
But
hi guys.
So I was about to, on Black Friday, I was gonna get a brand new MacBook, and I was like, oh, I don't know if I want to spend that much money, you know. So I looked online and on Facebook Marketplace, and I found this one. The guy was asking $550 for it. Got him down to $420. So I got him down quite a bit. I mean, this MacBook and this, you know, with this trim package and everything, and the solid state drive and the RAM memory and everything. I mean, you're talking probably like $1,700 brand new. Now, don't get me wrong. This one is a couple years old, but it is upgraded. It has the newest operating software on it already. So it's really nice. It's really quick. I can definitely edit all the videos. You know, and that's sweet. Now the GoPro that I'm recording this on right now is $329 at Walmart. When I went today, I checked it out. $329 brand new plus tax, and that is just the GoPro. And it comes with, you know, the waterproof case. But I got this on Facebook Marketplace for How much did I get it for? $250, sorry. and came with a charger, which is nice. It charges 2 batteries at the same time, so I have one in the camera right now, and then plus an extra one. And he gave me this lanyard thing that I have on here. It's like a rubber silicone case, so keep it, safe, because I'm very clumsy, so I tend to drop things a lot. And then he just gave me the C cable that, charges it, or I can plug it in or whatever. And I bought extra. I bought a 164 gigabyte memory card, so I can have plenty of space to record, driving shots and whatever else. So, I want to show you guys a lot more on the road, so I want to make sure I have enough room. So this memory card shoots about 10 hours worth of video, and it came with this, which you put the smaller SD card, which is in the GoPro, into here, and I slip it into here, and then I can upload it and edit everything nice for you guys, and it's going to look a lot better, a lot more professional. And I hope you guys enjoy, the work and the effort that Sam and I are putting into these videos. Like I said, we're trying to make it better.
Hey guys.
You feeling okay?
Yeah. My tummy hurts.
Another thing I wanted to mention to you guys, I don't know if I might have touched on it a while back, Sam and I, but we bought seat covers for the truck to try to keep the truck clean, especially that it's a lease and it has to go back in a couple months. So, we bought these seat covers. They're Dickey brand seat covers, which Dickey is supposed to be a pretty good brand, I think. So the first part covers like the backrest, and then there's another part that covers the, like where you sit, your butt. And with the dog on an RV, he's just so much weight, and he plops down. He just rips the whole damn thing off.
Yeah.
And
he plops down hard. I don't know why.
And it's starting to tear and everything. It's just junk. I don't know. It's not made like rugged or anything. They're like, on the box, like, oh, it's so rugged, it can handle anything. It's semi-waterproof, this and that. Well, no, it's not, because I don't know. I think RV was wet or something, and water went through it. Yeah. Something like that. I don't know. And I got the whole seat underneath wet, and I had to dry it and clean it. It was a pain in the ass. So, with that being said, we are going to try this. It is a 2-air Drive Fresh rear seat protector.
And it's a lot cheaper. It's only $20.
This one actually was it $20? I think it was like 17 and change. But it says it protects seat from dirt and grime, easy fit, slip-on protection, and it wiped clean. So it's like
with dog hair, there's no way we're going to be able to just wipe that clean.
Yeah, we'll see. But instead of it being cloth like the other one is, this one is like, I don't know, like plastic or nylon maybe? I think nylon, yeah. And so it's supposed to help with neutralizing odors and stuff from the dogs. I don't know. RV stinks. I just washed him a couple days ago. But he just stinks, man. He farts so much, it's stupid. So we're going to try this one, though. This is a one-piece. So it buckles up here, and it comes down, and then it just comes out. And then it, like, tucks under the seat a little bit. And I'm probably going to get, like, a bungee cord and, like, put pressure down on that bottom part, too, so it doesn't go anywhere. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you know. Yeah. I got the receipt, though, so if this thing craps out, too, I'm returning this one. That other one was $50, and I don't know what the hell happened to the receipt, and I don't have the box, so I'm beat. Yeah. But, yeah. So that's what I got. That's pretty much what I had to tell you guys. So new GoPro, better video quality, and the laptop and the editing software. So it should all come together quite nicely once I, learn the software and I learn how to do everything and I learn how to use all the editing tools. So give me a minute, but everything should be good.
Cody Limon.
Heading out tomorrow, going to MO. Got a travel trailer going there. I don't know what time we're picking that up, probably around noontime. Yeah. But I'll be shooting some video and uploading it, and I hope it looks a lot better. Yeah. So, yeah. That's all I got for you guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you're into RV transport, or if you're into crazy couples that are nomadic and travel the whole country. And are silly. And clog toilets and, whatever else.
It went down.
Give us a subscribe, drop a comment, shoot us an email. Our email is always down below from now on. Now that I have the laptop, it is so much easier to edit these videos and add tags and add descriptions and links. I mean, it's going to be so much easier. So you guys should see, much more detail in our videos.
Much better quality.
I'm very excited. So, yeah. You got anything to say?
I don't think so.
No? Nothing?
No.
Oh, Sam found a wallet.
Oh, yeah, I did a good deed today.
Yeah. You want to tell everybody what you did?
Okay. Hopefully they can see me.
Hopefully they can hear you.
All right, I'll come closer.
All right, hold on. She's coming closer.
Oh, hush up. So we were walking back to the truck, and then I was...
From Walmart.
Yeah, from Walmart. And I was like, is that a wallet on the floor? So we walk over to
And I saw money signs. No, I'm just kidding.
And he was like, yeah, it is. So he opens it, and then I'm like, all right, I was like, there an ID or anything in it? And we're looking, trying to find it, and it looks like they took all the cash that was in it.
So I
was no
chucked
ID.
it. No, I'm just kidding.
We tried to look up her name. She had a credit card in there, so we tried to look up her name. That way I could hit her up on Facebook and let her know that I found it. And I had no luck. I wasn't sure if she lived in the area or not. So I went to customer service in Walmart. I let her know what row it was down. And while I was walking away, a woman was like, oh, that was very kind of you. And she thanked me for bringing it in.
She didn't give her any money, though.
Oh, I wasn't looking for any money. Stupid. I like doing good things. I don't need anything in return.
Sam's lost a wallet before with $800 in it. And by the grace of God, she got it back. We found it on the street. She left it on top of the car.
Because we were doing a lot of things. We just got the van. We were in Florida. We just got the van. Yeah. And we had the dogs.
We had this damn couch in a car that the couch shouldn't have been in. Yeah. But, so things were a little hectic, but she found it. So we know how it feels to lose, money and stuff. She had her net spend card in there, like a credit card. She had a Chase card in there. And that's a horrible, awful feeling, especially if you live on a day-to-day paycheck or you don't have much money at all to start with. So, so we returned it. Yeah. So Sam did a good job.
I'm a nice person, believe it or not.
She's pretty nice, not gonna lie. Alright guys, like I said, make sure you subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one.